Let's see some important sites and by river which they are situated and the excavator of that particular site. First comes the Harappa, which is situated near the Ravi River, and the excavator is Dayaram Sahani in 1921. So he is the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India. Next come Mohenjo-daro, situated by the river Indus, excavator Rakhaldas Banerjee in 1922. Next, Chahundaro, river Indus, excavated by N.G. Mazumdar in 1931. Lothal, situated by the river Bhogava, and excavator S.R. Rao in 1954. Kalibangan, situated by the river Gagar, excavator is Amlanand Ghosh 1951. And next comes Banavali, located near the river Ghagar, and the excavator is R.S. Bist in 1973. Next comes Dholavira, situated by the river Luni, and the excavator is J.P. Joshi between 1967 and 68.